Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good in your life, and today's video is going to be about my weight loss and how I lost my weight. And I don't know how many of you can actually tell from the YouTube videos, but if you do follow me on Instagram, you are very well aware that I have lost quite a lot of weight from my body, especially during the last year. And even in my YouTube videos, if you look at my YouTube videos of 2016, especially the late 2016, let's say from post July August videos, if you see and you compare them to my videos right now, you will be able to see a tremendous amount of difference in my weight. And so when I first posted my Instagram picture of before and after, a lot of you wanted me to make a weight loss video, because I think in that post I had mentioned that I don't gym and I don't diet, which is true that I didn't gym and I didn't diet. So I thought it's a perfect time for me to make this video now, because again I posted a picture not too long ago, and again all of you wanted to me to make this video, and I also took a poll on Instagram and everybody wanted me to make this video, so here it is. So a couple of things I want to clarify. Just because I didn't gym and I didn't diet doesn't mean I didn't do anything and lost my weight. You have to put in some sort of efforts to lose weight. You cannot lose weight just sitting. You can only gain weight by just sitting. But if you have to lose weight, you have to do something. It need not necessarily be gym or diet. It could be any form of exercise. So I want you guys to get this out of your head that even if you don't do anything, you will still lose weight. No, that's not going to happen. So I'll just share with you my vital stats first. I am 5 feet in height, so I'm really tiny. I'm a very tiny person, and at the end of 2016, or you can say almost in the start of 2017, I weighed 64 kgs, almost 64. I was close to 63.8 or 7 or 8, so I almost was hitting 64 kgs, which is way overweight for my kind of height. A couple of things that I want to get out of the way. This video will be best beneficial for those of you who want to lose anywhere between 5 to 10 to 12 kgs of weight, because it's not a very considerable amount of weight, and you don't have to put your body through a lot of stress, and you don't have to deprive yourself of food or anything like that. But if you want to lose more than that, say if you want to lose 20, 30, 40, maybe even 50 kgs of your body, I honestly suggest you to take a professional approach. Maybe go a gym and see a nutritionist or a dietitian, and then take things professionally. I wouldn't really advise you my method, because A, that will take you forever to lose weight, or at least that will stay in your mind that, oh my god, it's taking forever to lose weight, and B, it will not be the best for your kind of weight loss. So if you have to lose a lot of weight of your body, I suggest you take the professional approach. Point number one is, I first found a motivation, because no matter what anybody sits and tells you about your weight loss, unless you don't get it from inside of you that I have to lose weight, nothing is going to work for you. I can sit here for hours and talk and motivate you to lose weight, but that will never work until and unless it comes from within of you. And trust me, I never thought I was fat in the first place. When I used to watch my videos back then, I never thought that I'm overweight. But today when I watch my videos of 2016 or even before that, I literally think that, what was I thinking? What was I doing to myself? And why was I doing that to my body? I literally look like a blown up balloon sitting in front of a camera and talking. And it's not about body shaming or being guilty or something. But if you're not happy from within, then no matter what your weight is, you need to work on it. Whether you are underweight or overweight, you need to work on it, right? The second thing that I did is, I sort of chalked out my workout plan. Now, gym is obviously the first thing that comes to the mind. Oh, I should hit the gym right away. But gym was not really my kind of place. Like, I've tried gymming before. But I don't know, it's not my kind of place. I really get bored of working on machines inside of a room, and it's just something that I cannot do. So I thought, okay, the gym is out of the picture, so what else I can do? I then started seeing options, and the best option I thought of is go for a walk. Just put on the shoes and go for a walk. That's the easiest and the most inexpensive, the best option for a person to start losing weight. Put on your shoes and your tracks and just go for the walk. Just go anywhere. Even if you don't have a track, at least you have roads, you have streets, just go for the walk. And that's what I did. I started going on walks. And when I started going for walks, I was not having a goal in my mind that I have to become this much, I have to become this much. No, because when that is in your mind, your body stresses. Do not stress yourself. Do the weight loss training, but do it very stress free. Don't stress yourself कि मुझे तो इतना किलो का होना है, मुझे इतना किलो का होना है. It will just stress you out somewhere, you know, subconsciously. So just don't think about weight loss. Just do your work. Just go every day for a walk or a run or a workout in the gym. If you like gymming, and if there is a gym in your house or you can go to gym, do that. Do whatever works for you. Take very little steps. So first I started walking for half an hour, and as you will keep walking or as you keep doing your workout, whichever form of workout you're doing, whether you're playing, walking, gymming or whatever, your body will automatically give you signals that, you know, you can take another, let's say 15 minutes more today. Today you can take another half an hour more. Today you can take another 45 minutes more. So that way your body will tell you, you yourself will realize that I can go another mile or I can go another half an hour and, you know, I'll be fine. So take baby steps. Take it very slowly, but do it every single day. The same is the case with your pace. Say if you're walking, don't suddenly go for brisk walk and stuff. Take it slowly. You yourself will be able to tell that I can take faster steps and I can walk faster. So let your body decide that. You don't decide it for yourself. Let your body decide that now you can take faster steps and you can go for a more higher pace. Food. The main ingredient for your weight loss is food, and anybody who is into proper training and stuff will tell you that weight loss is about 70% food and only 30% of the workout. So whatever that 70% is, इस पे हमें ज़्यादा concentrate करना है. Now, I'm not a foodie in the first place. I don't like binge eating and stuff. I never, but I sat and I analyzed what was I eating that made me gain weight, and I realized I was eating a lot of pizzas. Like every weekend it used to be a pizza. So that is the first thing you need to see. What are your eating habits, right? I used to eat puris and I used to eat pakoras. That I have a teeth, like not a teeth, but I have cravings for such kind of food. So I used to eat that a lot, and that is what exactly made me gain weight, you know. So I cut that all out. Now initially, I'm not going to lie, in the initial 3-4 months of your weight loss training, you have to be a little strict with your food till your body gets accustomed to the new food. Now I'm not saying you need to starve yourself. I literally didn't starve myself. I still used to eat aloo parathas with butter. I still used to eat you know, those what do you call, not bhajiyas and stuff, but I still used to eat, you know, my normal food. I didn't give up my normal food. What I gave up was pizzas, samosas, pakode, McDonald's, and anything like this. I just gave that up. You know, sweets or chocolates or something like that. I gave all of those up. For 3 months, I did not eat any of that stuff. Once a week, I used to sort of, you can say, call my cheat meal. So when you have taken out all that, you know what you say, पहले अपने पूरा जो excess कचरा है ना वो निकालना है. And in your food, that excess कचरा is the junk food that you eat. So take it all out of yourself. Now come to the normal food. Now that also needs to be monitored. Like you cannot continue eating the way you do. Otherwise, whatever you're working out is not going to give you optimum results. So I cut down on my food. Like I eat normal food, roti with ghee and all. No diet. Dal, roti, sabzi I need. So I used to eat that. But in the afternoon, I used to eat 3 chapatis. In the night, I used to eat 4 chapatis. So that I cut down. In the afternoon, I used to eat 2 chapatis, and in the night I used to eat 2 chapatis. And now that this is last year. Now this year what I'm doing is, in the afternoon I'm eating 2 chapatis, but in the night I'm only eating 1 chapati and nothing, and no more, you know. Sometimes if I'm really hungry, I will eat 2 chapatis. Otherwise, for the most part, it is only 1 chapati. And so that is something you need to do. You need to slowly reduce your food. Don't reduce it immediately, because then you will feel weakness. And whatever you're reducing, try to substitute it with something else. Like I started eating a lot of fruits. Whenever I used to get hungry, I used to eat a banana. I used to eat apple. Now, I did not give up rice. I continued eating the white rice only. But I reduced the number of times I used to eat rice. Pehle, if I used to eat, let's say I used to eat 3 times a week, I used to eat rice, and especially in the night. I stopped it to once in maybe once a week or once in every second week. So that is something I did, and I reduced the quantity also, but I did not substitute that white rice with brown rice. You can do that, you can do that. I tried eating brown rice, I didn't like it, I came back to my white rice. So I started reducing the quantity of the white rice and also the number of times I used to eat the white rice. Now a lot of people will tell you to remove sugar from your food. I really didn't remove sugar because, like I said, I was not ready to compromise with my taste and my liking for food. But what I did do is I've reduced the intake of sugar. So from 4 teaspoons in a day, I've just come down to 2 teaspoons in a day. So I just take 1 teaspoon in the morning with my coffee and 1 in the evening with my evening coffee. But I take sugar. I cannot leave sugar. I tried sugar free and that tasted so horrible, and I never ever touched it again. So I do take sugar, but you can obviously use sugar free or the other substitutes of sugar like honey or something. So you can take it, but I did not cut down sugar. What I did is I continued to increase my walks. So I used to first walk for, let's say, about 1.5, maybe 2 kilometers, 2.5 kilometers. Gradually I started increasing it as my body started getting used to the new routine and the workout and the food. With the less quantity of food and more quantity of workout, that really balances and helps you to lose weight. So gradually I started increasing. From 2.5 I went to 3 kilometers, to 3.5, to 4, and I have walked up to 10 kilometers. This year when I started workout, I'm only doing it for 1 hour, and in 1 hour I'm able to cover about 5.5 to 5.7 kilometers, which includes 3 or 3.5 kilometers of run and the remaining 2.5 kilometers of walk. So I've started running now. So that is what even you have to do. Gradually, just take baby steps, take them very, very slowly, and keep any fatty, like any enemies of your weight loss away. I don't even remember the last time I had pizza, and there was a time when every weekend we used to have pizza. So that's what exactly I did. And because I did not really give up on my real food, like I used to eat dal, sabzi, parathe, chawal, चीनी, दूध, दही, सब कुछ मैंने खाया है, तो मेरे बॉडी पे मेरे वेट लॉस का ना ड्रास्टिक असर नहीं हुआ in terms of I didn't lose my hair, I didn't get black circle, like dark circles, it didn't affect my skin. And because you're not depriving your body of anything, you're only reducing its quantity, and what you're doing is you're putting in fruits and stuff like that, so which is very beneficial to you. So I didn't have those side effects of weight loss. Plus I didn't lose like 40 kgs suddenly that I should get those side effects. And drink a lot of water. Everyone says it. I know it sounds very repetitive, like everyone is saying drink a lot of water, drink a lot of water. But trust me, it is important to drink a lot of water, because water temporarily fills you up for some time. So you will not really feel the need to indulge in binge eating or eating snacks which are not healthy for you and stuff like that. And also it has a lot of other benefits, like it detoxifies your body and blah blah blah. We all know the benefits of having a lot of water. If you can, drink green tea also. Like I take 1 cup of green tea every day, and that's all that I do. Most majorly what will work for you is the amount of exercise you do and the amount of food that you're eating, and that is what worked for me. I mean, this is really the way I lost my weight. I know there are no technicalities involved in this. I'm not speaking any gym language or like somebody who's been like an expert in weight loss language. I'm not speaking that language because I don't know, because this is what I have actually done and this is what has actually helped me lose weight. I did work out, like I did go for my walks, I did run. Like in the middle I used to run only for 500 meters. First I started with only 200 meters, then 300, then 500. Now I can run up to 3.5 kilometers, and slowly gradually I know that will increase to 4 kilometers, 4.5, and so on and so forth. So that is what is the most important thing, that don't stop your workout, continue it, because if you stop and you don't control your food, you will again go back to where it all started. Other than that, I don't think there are any more mantras to lose weight. Losing weight is all about the right amount of eat and the right amount of workout. Whether you want to do an extensive gym workout, you want to go for just a walk, you want to play some game, or whatever it is. So yeah, nothing else. It's no rocket science ideally for weight loss, but yes, you have to work out in some form or the other. So that is what will help you at the end of the day. And control the food that you take. You don't have to give up the food that you take daily, and you don't have to use diet food and sugar free food and roasted food and salads and all. You don't have to live on that if you don't choose to. For those who choose to live on that, good for them. If you don't choose to live on that like I did, just control the amount of food that you're eating. That way you will never feel the need to indulge in sin food. And once a week, just go for some cheat meal, you know, like once a week I do have puri and parathe and stuff like that. I've already told you. That way at least you're not depriving yourself of the good food, or at least that you think that you're depriving yourself of good food, and you'll be satisfied all the time. And when you're satisfied, automatically the results will start showing. So that is it for this video of my weight loss. It's nothing much to say. This is what I did, and I do plan to make a what I eat in a day video, which I will film soon, and I'll upload. So yeah, I hope this video has helped you, and let me know in the comments down below if it has. And to anyone who's getting on to weight loss, wish you all the best. And just don't think about only losing weight, think about being fit more than losing weight, and things will work out for you, hopefully. So yeah, with that note, I will see you very soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until then, take care. Mwah. Bye.